SAP stands for System Application Product in Data Processing. SAP is one of the standard application software to run any type of business, to manage any type of business into our SAP application. So simple example, here MS Office. So MS Office is a package using for the office maintenance purpose. So MS Office also integrated the office required functionalities. Example, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Access, they are the office required functionalities. Same here also, our SAP is an application. It integrates the business requirement functionality. SAP is a big application using for business purpose. It integrates the business requirement functionalities. So here a business requirement functionalities are FI, finance, controlling, sales and distribution, HR. These are the business requirement functionalities. SAP is the leading ERP. ERP flavor. So ERP means enterprise resource planning. Enterprise resource planning. Enterprise is an organization. So resource means organization requires resource like various resources like money, material, manpower, management, machinery, different technical use, management. These are the company resources. Here people planning. So planning resources in the proper way in the organization is called as here ERP. So the SAP is one of the flavor. So there are different ERP flavors available in the market. Other ERPs. For example, SAP ERP. Oracle, apps, JD, Edward, Barn, PeopleSoft, Microsoft, Dynamics. Like these are the different ERPs are available in the market, but our SAP competitors. So other ERPs only start with a few departments. So example, so Tally one of the ERP. So Tally is the best ERP for the finance sector. Accounting purpose use it for the Tally ERP. Okay, so only starts with the finance department, and PeopleSoft is the best for the HR department. It starts with the HR functionalities. Like a JD Edward for the manufacturing distribution sector. So like Oracle apps and Microsoft Dynamics using for provide the finance and the CRM SRM functionalities. Means other ERPs only some department, but our starts with all the department. So that's also one of the successful ERP in the market. Talk with 75% of market, but other ERPs only just 25%. So why? Because of some business require the department, some business require the more department. So if you go to banking, so bank so bank organization. So banking require the finance department to maintain the accounts and sales department to maintain the marketing point. And next HR, human resource, manpower, and CR. Banking only requires these two departments. So if you go to any other manufacturing, Coke organization, or something, any BMW, any Hero or something. So these organizations require finance, sales department, HR department. So it also require the CRM, material management, quality management, production planning, plant maintenance, projects, like so many departments required for the Coca-Cola. So King requires only few departments. So Coke required for the departments. So if you implement ERP into example, Tally ERP. Tally. So the only finance sector. Finance. So that's why it only has the best ERP accounting purpose. But other functionalities, SD, HR, the functionalities does not satisfy the Tally ERP. There is a
Hello.
drawback.
Hello. Your voice is not clear. Your voice is not clear. Can you do something for that? It's getting break.
Yeah, okay.
Some intervals.
Okay. I will adjust my mess. Hello?
Clear.
Is it clear?
Yeah, now it's clear.
Okay. Okay. So here Tally is the best ERP for the finance sector. So that's why it stands for only finance function. But other functions like SD, HR, so CR, this function does not satisfy the Tally ERP. So if you go to here, PeopleSoft. PeopleSoft. PeopleSoft ERP. So this is the best ERP for the HR department. Only it starts with the HR functionalities, but other functionalities, finance, SD, CRM, material management, quality management, production planning, this function doesn't start with the PeopleSoft ERP. So there is a drawback of PeopleSoft. So if you go to SAP ERP, so or SAP integrate and design the all business required functionalities. So that's why SAP is a world leading business application software in the market. So, okay. So next, SAP was founded in 1972. So by ex-area plus former area plus developer SAP application. So by the company name is SAP AG. It's a German product. And next 1975, then SAP released the first architecture, real one-tier architecture. So the main drawback of the first R1, German language, supporting only German language. And next works on mainframe. So mainframe is a hardware designed by IBM only on SAP. The initial R1 architecture supported mainframe machines, but other machines you cannot install. So there is a drawback of the first R1. And next 1978 and 81 this period. So SAP released the R/2 architecture. So it supported initially it was supported 28 multinational languages, but still running on the mainframe. So that is the drawback. So next 1992, SAP released a very successful architecture, R/3 real-time 3-tier architecture, R stands for. So it's supporting initially 54 multinational languages. Today our SAP is a language independent. So our SAP is supporting all multinational, including Hindi, Japanese, Chinese, so Spanish, all languages. So next it supports also all platforms. You can install SAP to all machines. So that's why SAP is a platform independent and language independent. So R/3 stands for real-time data architecture. So there are 3 layers. So today we have nearby 400 applications are there in our SAP. All SAP applications run the same architecture, R/3 architecture. Not only for our SAP, other applications like Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, something Amazon. So they are using also same architecture. For example, there are the 3 layers. Presentation layer, and next application layer, application layer, application layer, or also called as a tag. And next third one, database layer. Also known as a type. So the example to connecting to Gmail or Facebook using here browser. Any browser example. So perform the software to something any Gmail. Okay. So here Chrome is the layer, presentation layer. So example any browser. Browser, any Chrome, any Firefox, any Internet Explorer is an example for the browser. And next here application layer. Application layer here Gmail or any Facebook. That example. So next your account, your Gmail account, your personal information make the Gmail database. So the database there. The same here also. So connecting to our SAP application using GUI graphical user interface or else with access also browser, any browser. All the consultants, SAP consultants are connecting to through GUI software. Browsers are using mostly end users and the manager CMOs. Without SAP, that's why they are using for mostly browsers. So GUI using by our consultants or SAP consultants. So next here, SAP is a application. So next our application data, our transaction data, our business data, stored database. These are three layers. So this is to connect into SAP using GUI is the application database. So simple example I'm trying to directly. So this is the GUI graphical user interface. It is also as a SAP logon pad or launch pad. So just you can double click on here. So here GUI graphical user, GUI available three variants. So GUI for Windows, especially for the Windows Paint and Salvations. And next GUI for Java, so Unix and Linux operating system environment. And next GUI for HTML. So to connect in the browser. So example here I am using for the GUI for Windows. So to check for information about our SAP GUI, SAP GUI for Windows. Here I am using for the Windows Server. And next coming to GUI versions, graphical UI interface versions. So SAP old version 700. So then there is a 720, 730. So next 740. So some clients still using for the 730 version, some clients using for the 740. So why? Because of companies clients using for the N-1 strategy, new -1 strategy. What is the new version here? 740 is the new version. So before version, that's why some clients use still 730 and 740. So here, so my GUI version. So just you can double click on this SAP login for launch. Just you can double click on it. SAP GUI for Windows. Graphical user interface. What is our version here? 730. So there are the applications. So here number of applications are there. So just you can double click on it. So here I am connecting to our SAP. So this is called authentication screen and SAP authentication screen. So here required for the username and password. So simple example. So to connecting to Gmail or any something Facebook. Facebook. So here also required to access the application so authentication, username and password, and only able to access the same here also. So to connect to our SAP application, require for the username and passwords. Next, coming to SAP products. So first 1992 SAP is the R by 3 architecture. So that's why SAP is the first R by 3 products. So it is also collected ERP products. First version of our SAP R3 3.0 and next 3.1C. So next 4.6C. So then release the 4.7W and then ECC 5.0, ECC 6.0. Here these are the older versions, SAP old version 3.0, 3.1C. So here C for component, so W means Enterprise Edition. Here ECC stands for Enterprise Central or Core Component. So these all are older versions. So right now companies are using for ECC 6.0. So instead of using each version, SAP continues to update our SAP application with the help of enhancement packs. Enhancement packs. Start with EHPs. So for example, to updating the operating system OS using service pack 1, service pack 2, service pack 3. So same here also. So to updating our SAP application with the help of enhancement packs. Enhancement means say new functionality, adding the new functionality and latest function, elegance function to your existing application. So ECC 6.0 is the right now version. SAP introduced EHPs. EHP1 enhancement pack 1, EHP2. So like latest enhancement pack 8. EHP 8 is the latest version. So welcome to IDS ECC 6.0 EHP 7. SAP products are available 2 variants. Any SAP products are available 2 variants, IDS or non-IDS. IDS and non-IDS. So IDS using for the training purpose, education purpose, corporate training purpose using for IDS systems. Here non-IDS using for the business purpose. So any SAP products are available 2 flavors, IDS and non-IDS. So let me explain for the IDS. IDS is International Demonstration Education or Evaluation System. Okay, ECC means Enterprise Central or Core Component 6.0 with latest enhancement pack 7. So EHP 8 is the latest one, but this my server is EHP 7 enhancement pack 7. So next, in 2004, SAP released the.
Hello, sir. I have a query.
Hello.
I have a query. Can you help me? What is the difference between IDS and non-IDS? Can I use the IDS for a business purpose? And if I use it, what would be the problem?
So here IDS only it contains sample data. This sample data mostly used for the technical and functional aspects. For example, adapters here, functional people such as FIS, DHR, these functional people are mostly required for the some sample data. So SAP provided the IDS, it contains some sample that is mostly useful for the time purpose. But now it's content from scratch, so we can develop the customized code.
So what will be the problem if I use the IDS in the business? What will happen?
So why? Because of IDS is already different data is available, but non-IDS only using for business point of
Okay, sir.
view. Okay. Any product, not only for a ACC, any SAP products are available IDS. So this is the best one for the demonstration point of view, training point of view. So this is non-IDS using for this is also the production software. So companies in real time software companies are only using for non-IDS. Okay. And next, and then in 2004, so 1992 actually arbitrary architecture. So arbitrary was started. Next 2004 SAP released the network products. Network element is integration technology. So we integrate the n number of heterogeneous systems. So maybe in our organization we have SAP or non-SAP or any third-party systems, any biometric systems. All the systems are talking together, sharing some business information. That's why I have required for the integration. So that's why SAP introduced in 2004 in network products. It is the integration that will integrate the n number of heterogeneous. Homogeneous means same system, SAP to SAP. Heterogeneous means either SAP or non-SAP. All the applications integration method with the help of network products. So the example I'm going to do XIPI, Exchange Infrastructure Process Integration is one of the network product, and BW, BA, Business Warehousing Business Intelligence, Enterprise Portal, the latest in network code. That's Versa, GRC. So like they are the network products. Some example here. Enterprise Portal network product. Versa means versatile, innovative, risk for security administrator. Here GRC means governance risk compliance. The network products. And next in 2007, a few examples for the products. So in 2000, SAP introduced My SAP Business Suite. My SAP Business Suite. This is also for the new dimensional product. So simple example here: CRM, SRM, SCM, customer relationship management, supply relationship management, supply chain management. They are examples for the new dimensional products. Okay, so here any SAP like nearby today we have in our SAP. So 400 applications are there. So they are the major applications. Today every time using for these applications. So next section we will discuss about the so what is XAPA, what is ECC, what is BWBA, we will discuss in the next session. So like nearby what applications are there? All the applications are actually basis and roles and responsibility is so actually in our recipe there are 3 years. So system application products. So administration for our basis is the purely for administration area. Here application is the technical area. So functional area SD, MM, HL are the functional area. So basis. So basis stands for so business application software integrated solution. So there are 3 areas in our SAP. Basis stands for business application software integrated solution. So what is our SAP? Our SAP is a business application, so business purpose using our SAP integrated either SAP or non-SAP systems for data transfer, and the next solution provide the solutions. So if you have any issue in the application point of view, it fixes all the issues. And the basis consultant, the roles and responsibility in director. So check for the all applications whether it is running or not. So if you have any bad performance, if you have any error in the report, so take the necessary action, appropriate action. This is a part of the solution to fix all the bugs and errors. This is a part of the solution. So next here, basis is administration. Next application technical. ABAP, ABAP, Advanced Business Application Program. And ABAP is a pure, completely a coding part. So here ABAP using for the customizing or SAP application. So to develop the applications, require the programming language in the market, C, C++, .NET, Java. So these are the programming languages to develop the application. But our SAP is a already ready-made application, it's a pre-defined application. This application only for customizing according to our client, according to our business requirement. That is performed by a developer that is called ABAP team. ABAP, Advanced Business Application Programming. Business Application Programming. So here our ABAP is a 4th generation language. So actually four type of generations are available in the market. So first generation means 1 and 0. Machines only understands, computers only understand 1 and 0. So this is called the binary language. And second generation language is assembly language. So COBOL, Fortran, report program generated. They are the example for the assembly language. So third generations are C, C++, .NET, Java. They are the third generation language. Here our ABAP is a fourth generation language. That's showing similar. ABAP with 4 means fourth generation language. So next coming to functional area. Functional area, but here FI, SE, HR, they are the functional areas. SD, sales and distribution, finance, controlling, HR, material management, quality management, production planning, plant maintenance, projects. So we are the functional departments, functional area. Suppose if you are interested to any functional area, so any people is able to choose for any functional area. So this person have required the tremendous industry experience. So mainly two things. Any functional consultant required for the, so one is for the education background. Education background is mandatory. So plus domain experience. That only can understand the SAP function. So if you are interested in any FI, finance, SAP, FI, FICO. So required for the MBA finance or become commerce background. So SD, so required for the MBA marketing. So HR, required for the MBA HR. So education background is mandatory. So material management, quality management, production planning, plant maintenance. So required for the organization work experience, plant experience, domain experience. Then only you can understand the SAP function model. So next coming to technical. So technical consultants also require for the three things. One is for the education background, so plus programming knowledge plus logical thinking. So like computers background, so something BC, MC, computers background required. So minimum C, C++, .NET, Java programming knowledge required for the ABAP consultant. Plus if you write a programming language have required logical thinking. These three areas. Functional consultant only for education background plus domain experience. Technical consultant required for the education background plus computer knowledge plus programming knowledge plus logical thinking. These three areas required for the technical consultant. Next coming to basis. Here any novel graduate student is to do basis course. So node required for the education background, node required for the any programming knowledge, node required for any domain experience. So suppose if you have any networking background like MCS, CC, NC, any database administration background, that is the advantage, but it is not a mandatory thing in basis. So that's why any person is to do or so next more of just you can compare the packages. So basis is a more package. So why? Because of basis is administration. The entire our SAP project depends upon basis team. Why? Because we build the platform. So other can work on that area. Okay. So next, so basis is a very high secure position. So why? Because of, so due to the any prior decisions, so due to the any client want to reduce the team size, they will fire with the technical people and functional people, never touch with the basis team. So that's why your position also very high secure. So just to check for the Java procedures, so in Java ports. So next coming to our basis main goals and responsibility in real time. What are the activity performed by the basis team? So here we have the different types of parts are there in our SAP. So simple example. So R3 product, network product, and new damage product. So my SAP business source. Here any SAP product as a basis consultant roles and responsibilities. The first has the basis with roles and responsibility. First has implementation. Implementation is nothing but to install all the SAP product. All SAP products. Put with R3 products, network product, and new dimension products. R3 product, network product, and new dimension products. Simple example, how to install MS Office, the same similar procedure here. Just you can click on setup file, next, this for MS Office installation. Same here also to install the SAP. So SAP using the latest tool name is, so to install SAP SWPM is the tool. SWPM, Software Provisioning Manager. Software Provisioning Manager, this is the tool to install the any SAP product. This is the latest tool to install the products. So we can download all the softwares from Service Marketplace. All the SAP products are downloading. So download the softwares, SAP softwares from Service Marketplace. Shortcut also SMP, Service Marketplace. So this is the official link, www.support.sap.com. So to access this portal, we have required for the only authorized people, like base people. Required for user ID, Service Marketplace ID, and only can access this portal and download the, so only real-time basis people can access this URL. Here we can download all the SAP softwares with the approvals. Okay, this is the first step, implementation that we have to install all SAP according to our client, according to our business requirement. This is the first task as a basis has done. And next task is configurations. Configurations and integrations. Configuration and integrations. So after installation of SAP product, as a basis consultant performs some post-installation activities. Post-installation activity. As a part of post-installation activity, as a basis to perform some configuration activities. Example, RFC configurations. I'll give the example for RFC configurations. Remote function call. So generally these RFCs are used for communication between SAP to SAP and SAP to non-SAP systems. Integration point of view, using for RFCs. So communication SAP to SAP and non-SAP for data transferring and communication between applications using for RFC configuration. So next, printer configurations. Printer configuration. Add the printer device to application to print the documents. For example, finance people will print the annual reports, quarterly reports, half-yearly reports. Like HR people will use it for the monthly payroll reports, salary statements. So like every company requires for the printer device. So that's why add the printer device into SAP application level. So that is part of the basis roles and responsibility. So it is a printer configuration. Next, TMS configurations. And let's do the few examples for the configuration part. So third one, TMS, Transport Management System. Here transport the SAP objects from one application to another application. within the landscape. Okay, so they are the example for the configuration part. So next third one, administration area. So simple example here. User administration, client administration, role administration, database administration, school administration, like these are the areas. Administration part. So user administration nothing but so a number of people are interacting to our SAP application, they will perform their activity. Example as DM, HR, all the people are interacting to our SAP application, they will perform their activities. So maintains the all the user record. So is a part of basis. Okay, so create users, changes of the user password, so activation of the user accounts. Okay, so next client administration is nothing but so segregate of our SAP application. So independent entity in your business point of view, your application is segregated and separate. For example, our hard disk is divided into C drive, E drive, same like it. So our SAP application also partition with the help of clients. Okay, so next role administration. Role administration is nothing but SAP security. So only the basic people have the related full access, but other people like SD, MM, other people only for the limited access. So to restrict the user account at application level with the help of rules. This is SAP security. Next here, database administration. So take the backups, restore, recovery according to manage our database, whatever database. Example, some clients may be using for Oracle database, some clients may be using for MaxDB, DB2, HANA. So whatever database, here SAP provides the tools to manage any type of database. So this is a database administration. Manage our database. Next is school administration method. A number of people they will raise the print request. So manage the print request is a part of the school administration area. So this is the third one, administration part. And next fourth one, maintenance. So maintenance nothing but monitoring the all application servers and maintain the health checklist. So monitoring method, how many applications are there in your organization or landscape. So all application server should be monitored, that is up and running. So to avoid the memory bottlenecks, to avoid the buffer bottleneck, to avoid the CPU bottlenecks, as a basis consultant, so daily roles and responsibility, daily task is to monitor. So observe the all application server performance. If you have any bad performance, if you have any error reported, so take the necessary appropriate action. So this monitoring information is maintained in Excel sheets. So that is called as the health checklist. We also call as a proactive monitoring. So our next one, fifth one, supporting. Supporting very much to fix all the issues, bugs, problems. So we will find the supporting. And next one, upgradations. The upgrades will have three areas: OS, database, and version upgradation. SAP is a OS independent and database independent, language independent, platform independent. So that's why SAP support all operating system. Example, our SAP is OS independent. OS independent is supporting all, mostly what are operating available in the market: Windows and Unix, and next Linux. So the major difference between here Windows and Unix, Linux. Here Windows is supporting CUI and GUI, character user interface, thus GUI, graphical user interface. Here Unix only supporting CUI commands, but whereas Linux supporting CUI, GUI like a Windows. This is a major difference. Unix, Linux, Windows different. So another difference is here Windows is a proprietary source. Suppose if you are using Windows operating system created, they will charge an amount per annum. But Unix, Linux is an open source. So this is another difference between. So here SAP is supporting all flavors in the Windows, Unix has a different flavors. Unix is an open source. That's why every company take Unix source code, develop the core operating system. Example, IBM company take the Unix source, develop the IBM AIX. So this is for the IBM own operating system. HP company take Unix source code, develop the HP UX. We are flavors of the Unix. Next, coming to Linux flavors. So Red Hat Linux, SUSE Linux, Oracle Linux, Solaris, like Oventus. There are different flavors of it. Fedora. So these all flavors supporting CUI and GUI. Like it look like it, it's all Linux flavors. So SAP is OS independent. All operating on SAP supported, and next database independent. So SAP application support all database. Okay. So example Oracle. Database and available in the market. Example Oracle. Oracle is the product of Oracle Corporation. And next MaxDB. DB2 is the product of IBM. And next Sybase is our SAP own product. And MSSQL is the product of Microsoft. So the SAP support all the database independent. So simple example here, OS upgradation means maybe client using Windows operating system, Windows Server 2000. Windows Server is changing to maybe 2008. So 2008 is the latest version. 2008 and 2012. So in same platform, Windows 2003, old version 2008. 2003 is the old version, 2008 and 2012 is the latest versions. This is the upgradation. Windows upgradation. So next, database upgradation. Oracle, maybe client using Excel Oracle 9 is changing to Oracle 10G or 11. So this is called as a database upgradation. So next, version upgradation means, or what is the old version here? So 4.7W is the old version. Yeah, 4.7W is the old version. Version is changing to EC 6.0. So this is called as a version upgradation. Or else EC 6.0 EHP1 is changing to EHP8 is also called as a version upgradation. OS upgradation. And next, database upgrade. Next version. Example. Let's say the old version is 4.7. I'm going to 4.7. Now we changing to ECC 6.0. So another example. Hello?
I have a question. Sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah.
Sir, my question is,
Okay.
on what version we will be learning? On what platform? Will it be 2003 server, 2008 or 2012?
So 2000. Actually, our current version is ECC 6.0. EHP 7 is the latest version, but still companies using.
I was asking about the what would be the OS version and what would be the DB version.
So our SAP For example, ECC 6.0 we can install 2003 and 2008 version also. Okay, so it is also supporting any.
What would be our training server? Will it be 2003, 2008, or 2012?
2008, 2008, 2008.
2008. And
So
Oracle would be 11
8 to the
perhaps.
11 at 12. And HANA also there, HANA system there, our database is HANA also there. Example, here I am typing to our SAP. So simple example, and check the environment.
Okay, sir, I have some questions. Like, if
Okay.
the platform is changed, because when we will be working, the platform may be Unix or platform may be AIX. So on those kind of platform,
Okay.
what would be the problems that we would be facing?
So there is no why, because your SAP is supporting all platforms. Your OS, all
Yeah,
database,
SAP support,
all
but
Unix. Okay.
SAP support all platforms. But when we will be
Mm.
working in reality,
Mm.
suppose the
Mm.
company which I am working, they are running on AIX and DBT. Then what would be the problems that
Mm.
I would be facing and how to resolve those issues?
So here, basis is the main roles and responsibilities only for application system, right? Because each client in every real time, separate OS team is there, separate database team is. So with the OS team, the coordinate of OS team and database team as a basis constraint. So main is our only SAP application. Okay. So basis is the only application administrator. OS team is separate. So we can manage all of the SAP application that is running or not, that is working properly. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So that's why your version operation simple example 4.7W is the latest old version, E6.0 is the latest version. So this is another one example. Another example is so ECC 6.0 Enterprise Central Core Component 6.0 is changing to EHP1, changing to ECC 6.0 PHP 8. So these are the currently watch temperature. So and next migration. And next last task as a best concept is migration. So we have the two areas, OS migrations and database migrations. Only the certificate customer perform these activities. So here OS migration example. So Windows 2003 is changing to any Unix or any Linux operating system. This is called the migration. Change the one platform to another platform. So next database migration is so previous slide using example Oracle 9 is changing to MS SQL or maybe HANA database. Here Oracle is the product of Oracle Corporation. Here MS SQL is the product of Microsoft or HANA is the receiving own database. So this is a different product, this is a different product. Both are database. So change the one product to another product is called migration. So this is the main seven activities, the basis consultant. So any our SAP application, we have different types of applications. So there are three applications, network applications, and next new dimension one. And we have CRM as examples. Here any SAP application as a basis for Windows implementations. Install all SAP product. Next, so manage the configuration of all SAP applications. Next, administration, all SAP application administration, all SAP application maintenance, all SAP application supporting, and all SAP application upgradations, migration. These are our roles and responsibility in real time. Just you can check for the simple or environment, how you end it. This is the Windows Server 2003. So SAP application can deploy only for the installations. So this for the SAP GUI, graphical user interface, SAP Login or Launchpad to connect into SAP application. So this is using our constants, basis SD, HLD or constants using. Just you can double click on it. Here contains all the applications how it is. So how many applications are there? All applications have to see each GUI is enough. So connecting to CC, into CRM, connecting to video, all how many applications are in our landscape? All applications are connecting to single GUI is enough. Example to connecting to the so Gmail, browser. Same here also same GUI, single GUI is enough to connect all SAP applications. Should also this. So example I'm connecting to. So this is for SAP authentication screen. So require the authorized user, then only can access it. Showing information. So this is an IDS system for demonstration, that's for the training purpose. So both are similar. So I am trying to the NAND system. So these are the NANDs. It's showing for the initial state where various are NANDs. Example. It's showing that this is the starting is showing the information. Yes, this is welcome to IDS ECC 6.0. So for this screen, they are showing information for the non-IDS system. So this is easy to identify that where your application IDS are non-IDS. And also log into the application. So this is for my first screen of our SAP. Here also show information. If it is your IDS, it's showing information. IDS for the best. It's a demo system, best one for the IDS. This is for the lines. Okay, so this is the first screen of our SAP. So this is for SAP Easy Access screen. So our SAP application looks like MS Office. So this is for the menu area. Menu bar. So next here this is for the command column. So here we can enter the SAP transactions reports. So here any customer always working with transactions. This is for the command column. Same like in Windows they will run. So run you can open the notepad or something new, WordPad, something shortcuts, right? Same here also. So this is for run shortcuts to open the documents folders. Same here also to open our SAP particular area. So this is a command column. So this is also called the standard toolbar. And next one, this is called the title bar. Represent the title, information about your screen. And next is the application toolbar. So this is for work here, work area. So this is the last one for the status. This is the status bar. So menu bar, command column, standard toolbar, title bar, menu bar, or work area. So this is for the last one, status, showing the status. Okay. So to check our environment, so here go to system, status, or application environment. So here my server operating system Windows. So this is my showing for the database. This is for OS information. For the database information. This is for the application information. ECC 610 EHP7. OS, database, and application. The same information projected in NAS. This is the NAS system. Real-time software, environment. So server, operating system Windows, database is your application is Napier application, Napier 7.4. So to log off the session, just simple log off. So this is simple our environment. So next session we'll discuss about the products, how many products are there. So each product information, example, what is XAPA, what is BWPA, what is the enterprise model, and discuss about our architecture. So what is the drawback of R1, what is the drawback of R2, what is the advantage of R by 3. So anybody has queries? So regarding hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
I am not able to hear you.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, is there, anybody have queries?
Yeah, I am not able to hear you. Your voice is not clear. Sometimes it gets break.
Hello. Is it clear?
Yeah, sometimes it's get clear, but then sometime after some time it get not breaking. Some other sound is coming there from background and some other interference.
Yeah, it's from your side.
Okay.
Now it's okay. Yeah.
Okay, what you say last in your last sentence? I'm not able to hear you.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Anybody has first today's recording session?
I don't have any question because I have one question: how to identify the that IDS and non-IDS component on OSS?
Yes, it's showing for the starting screen. So when you're connecting to SAP application, so just you can double click on it.
Yeah.
It's showing for the entries. So next session we'll discuss how to create these entries. Okay. So we don't bother. Just an example, I'm connecting to this. It's showing as Melon IDS EC 6.0. This is the IDS version.
Yeah,
So
I
example
understand
connected.
it. I understand that I don't have any query in it. Uh, when I'm trying to download from OSS, okay, support
Okay.
from support.sap. Okay, there it's not able to identifiable because it's coming very complicated manners.
So no, just it provided when you download the SAP software, it is available. Label.asc file is there.
Okay. Okay.
Label.asc will give the information. So information about your media,
Okay.
whether it is IDSR, whether it is comparable to your OS, whether it is comparable to your database, that information is provided by that. So it's
Okay.
label.one ASC file is there. So give the information.
Okay. Okay. Uh, tomorrow you will do something for your voice because it's getting break after some time and it's not clear every time. Okay.
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 Jaya.
Okay.
Okay.
Already as I'm working in the business domain, I have some queries. The demo class was great. I'm having some queries like in the Unix and the DB part, because whenever I'm applying, because I have been working in 2003, 2008 and Oracle 10G and 11 I have worked very less, but my exposure in DB2 and Unix platform or AIX platform is very restricted. So I just want to get exposure in that platform so that I can sit and get a proper job. So that is my reason. So can you help me in that? That is my question.
Yeah, don't bother. Why? Because of here our environment is completely providing the full access, but in real time, so our client doesn't provide the full permission to working that area. Example, in from OS level, in application level. So in real time, our clients are restricted, right?
Yeah, that's true. But I had given, sir, because in the last time when I was giving interview in Accenture, everything was fine, but they were asking that how much of exposure you are having in AIX and DB2, and ultimately it was like finalized. There are certain other problems like I don't have exposure in handling overseas clients, so ultimately my profile was being rejected. And when I was going for IBM, they are very much like specific. They are looking for people who have only worked in EIX, DB2 and all those things. In that platform, I could not crack the interview. So that's the reason.
So
So can
in
you
our
help me?
application point of view, manage the or SAP just in IBM AX, whatever OS, any HP UX. So just to have just fundamental of 30 to 35 commands are there to manage our SAP application.
Yes, yes,
So
yes, yes.
for
Can you help
example,
me with those things?
yes, yes, yes. We will see them practically in this comments of don't bother. So really example DPMon, something process list
Yes,
PS,
yes,
which
yes, yes. Java mon.
just the basics comment, just basics comments is enough to working with any platform.
Yes, sir.
So I will discuss it practically. In example, to check the process list in a Windows just task manager, say here on Unix and Linux, one check for PS, the command.
Yes, sir.
Switch user to log up one user to another account. So
Yes,
like the basics, just for 30 commands is there to work with compatible, very comfortable work with IBM AX or any HPs.
okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Lot of thanks.
Okay.
I'm very much happy
Mhm.
with the class. Sir, I have some questions. What would be the class schedule?
That is provided by the just for context here. So they will provide the class video sessions and I will give the soft copy and the soft material and some details. The
Okay,
practice point of view and software provided, but just you can contact videos, information is connected to the site.
okay, that's nice. I have another question. So, we will be given access to SAP system.
Yeah,
Can I
yeah.
get access in Unix and DB2 platform?
Mm, so I will try it. So I will do the session. I will manage the DB2.
Okay, if
Okay.
I am getting access in Unix and DB2 platform, then it would be very much easier for me to learn. Thank you,
Okay.
Chris. Thanks for your time. It was a nice learning session, revising
Mm.
those things and learning very new things. Thanks for it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, good night. Take care.
Yeah, good.